Hello world! Have you ever wanted a doorbell that rings when someone comes near it? A doorbell which rings without pressing any button? If yes, you are in the right video. I am Manish and welcome to Cyvosox. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a magic doorbell. Let's see what magic doorbell is. Magic doorbell is a robot when it senses someone near, it will ring a soft bell. How this is happening? For sensing, it is using IR sensor. When IR sensor detects something near, it will run a soft bell on buzzer. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cyvosox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cyvosox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. First connect 3-pin cable to buzzer and other end to sensor to port. Now connect IR sensor to 3-pin cable and other end of 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now place the IR in front. Now place the plate and buzzer on top of it. Let's understand flowchart and algorithm of this program. We are starting our program. Then we are creating IR sensor with pull up, means we are attaching IR sensor with our brain and keep it default value 1, means if nothing is detected the value will be 1, if something is detected the value will be 0. Then we are attaching buzzer with our brain. If IR value is 0 means something is detected, we will play a soft bell on our buzzer and repeat this process again. If nothing happened, we will just wait a moment and repeat this process again. Let's understand the algorithm. We are creating our IR sensor on sensor 1 port. Then we are creating buzzer on sensor 2 port. Then we are continuously starting our loop. If value is 0 means something is detected, we will play a soft bell. Otherwise just wait a moment. Then repeat from step 3. Let's code our magic doorbell program. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cyvo Socks and hit enter and visit cyvosource.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. For the first step, we are going to initialize our ping. So go to pins and devices and pick create pin block. Write our IR name, IR, choose D3 and input with value pull up. Next, we are going to initialize our buzzer. Go to pins and devices and pick get buzzer block. Write buzzer name, choose sensor 2. Why are we creating IR and buzzer pins? Because we are attaching IR to sensor 1 port and buzzer to sensor 2 port. What was the next step in our algorithm? Yes, we are continuously going to read our value from IR and check if something is detected or not. Go to control, pick while block, set its condition to true. Go to control again, pick if block, click on wheel icon, drag else and put it beneath if. We are going to read our values from IR. If something detected, the value will be 0. So go to operators, pick comparison block, choose equal to, because we are checking if IR value will be equal to 0. Go to ESP logic, pick read digital value block. We are reading from IR, so name it IR. Go to variable and string, pick value block, set its value to 0. If something is detected, what we are going to do? Yes, we will play a soft bell on buzzer. Go to buzzer, pick play soft bell on, write the buzzer name, buzzer. and we will play software for 1 second. If nothing is detected, what we are going to do? Yes, we will wait for a moment. Go to time block, pick wait for, set its value to 0.2. Now you have successfully written your code. Click on connect brain button, choose USB serial, click on connect. When it is successfully connected, click on run code. Now place your hand in front of our IR sensor. Now you can see when someone is detected, our bell is ringing. So our magic doorbell is working fine. Let's compare our flowchart with our code. First we are creating IR. This was achieved by create pin. Then we are creating buzzer. This is achieved by get buzzer block, which connects buzzer to our brain. Then we are checking if digital value from IR is equal to 0. This is achieved by read digital block, which is reading from IR. And we are checking if it is equal to 0. Means something detected. We are playing software on buzzer. Then wait for 1 second. If something is not detected, we are waiting for a moment and repeat this again. Good job! Now you can make a doorbell that rings when someone comes. A doorbell which rings without a push button. Next, we are going to make a big project. When someone comes near our robot, depending on the distance, it will play different songs. If you have understood how to make magic doorbell, please subscribe our channel and like this video.